Hey, my Scarelix family, it's me, Scares. I'm a 10 here. And today, we're gonna be playing the 100 Doors Challenge. I'm not very good at these, so be prepared for a lot of episodes. So, move on. Okay, so I've already started it. This is level 1. I didn't do anything. Okay, so, welcome. My name is Jonathan. Now, my main goal is to help you to play the game. To start, you should click the button to the left of the door to go into the second level. I did it! Oh, no, Cena, we did it. Sorry. Cool. Now move to the carpet to the right. Then you will find a key under the carpet. Click it to pick up. Your next step is to click the key in the inventory to select and use it for the lock. I will wait for you at the third level. We're doing it! We're doing it! Well done. I knew you would have success. Click the clock to move into the past and find the scrap under the right corner of the screen. There, and return to the open doors. Using the scrap. Past. I did it! Present. Huh? That was simple enough. You are now continuing to amaze me. There is an iron box behind my back. Click it to open it, then click and hold your fingers on the lever until the digit 1 will light up and the door will open. $2. Whoop. Dang, we're doing pretty good. I think each of these episodes is about 10. I think we'll make every episode about 10 minutes long. Okay. You have a high potential. Take the cleaner, move the manhole cover, and press the hole in the floor to remove down. Pick up the sponge and integrate it and clean the inventory, then rise upward. Select beans with the sponge. Pick up the sponge to integrate it and clean your inventory, then rise upward. Then select means in the sponge and inventory, then rub the door finger to wipe the rust. I am cleaning it as rust. I'm glad to see you. You are still doing great. Keep it up. Now shake the device until the skull falls off from the door. You will see the key used to open the door. Perfect.
Ravioli, ravioli.
Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. Good job. Now let's see how well I trained you. Your task is to shoot at the door by the cunning act. And a little tip: tilt your device to steer the cunning to the door. Nice. Fill it with balls. Oh, okay. Are you not gonna move? I'm confused. No, I didn't mean to skip the level. Okay, finally. Okay, shut up. I don't care. Great job. Now let's see how well I can do the task. There we go. Put in right up. Okay, I don't care anymore. Get in there. No tanks. Okay. Oh, order some pliers. Gosh dang it! Oh. Did not for this to work. Well, I guess we did it. Sorry, that took forever. Oh. Nice. One, five, six, seven. 1, 5, 6, 7. I guess each video is gonna be 15 minutes, cause I want it to be type kinda long, but I don't want it to be like Oh, jeez. Sorry, I just stuck my phone. What the heck? Why can't you just... Continue. What the fudge? Okay, guys, we're doing this episode now. I am gonna have to try to figure this out. Maybe. Oh. Okay, it's not. I guess we're gonna be here for a few minutes. I just couldn't figure it out. I thought I could try to move it, but I guess I'm just stupid. This game. This game doesn't have any sound. What is that? Boom. On. Doop. Off. Doop. On. Doop. Nailed it. Jeez. Okay, so there's go for. Oh, I just gotta put that in. Mm. Okay. Oh. That was easy. Nice. That one was easy, but like I just couldn't. Sorry, I didn't do my hair, so don't want to make the fun of me. 2680, 26, 6, 13, 16, 2, 6, 13, 16, 6, 13, 16. That's pretty easy. Okay, so I guess we might finish this one or the next one, and we'll be done. Parrot. How do you get rid of a freaking parrot? Squawk. Crack. I want a cracker. I want. Okay. Okay, guys, so I guess we're gonna get an even number. Let's do one more. Just for the heck of it. Oh. Oh, it's a beaker. Oh, nice. Okay. 0. I H H. Oh, if we can do that. Oh, okay. Whoa, I'm stupid. Oh, acid. Okay then. Okay, guys. So we'll do this level in the next episode. And well, I'm sick, so I'll probably be doing more videos today. So I have nothing else to do, and I love making them, and love you guys, my Scare Like family. Yes, the King Tongue series, I have to restart because I got a new phone. So I'll be restarting that series, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed. So I'm start saying, is it okay? If you guys don't like me saying that, I'm fine. I don't understand why. But it's not me telling you you have to subscribe, you have to like, you have to, but just tell me if you want to. Okay, well this has been Scary Zombie 10. Signing out.